Alright, so we are going to look at comparing numbers today. And here's the first example we're going to look at. So let's look at our problem. The problem says the table below shows the weights of 4 elephants. So let's look at our table. When we look at a table, it's going to have different labels for each column. So this one is about the elephants. We have elephant R, elephant S, elephant T, and elephant U. On this side, it shows the weight for each of those elephants. So I know that elephant R weighs 12,345 pounds. I know that elephant S weighs 13,960 pounds. I know elephant T weighs 12,509 pounds. And I know elephant U weighs 11,960 pounds. So it's important to make sure you know how to read this table. Then the question we are trying to answer has to do with this question. It says, which comparison is true? A, the weight of elephant R is less than the weight of elephant T. B, the weight of elephant U is greater than the weight of elephant T. C, the weight of elephant S is equal to the weight of elephant U. D, the weight of elephant S is less than the weight of elephant T. Just like we've been doing when we have any kind of multiple choice question, the first thing we're going to do for these multiple choice question answers is cover them up. So when I cover them up, I now am just left with my table, and I'm left with all 4 of my elephants with their weights, and I am going to make my place value chart, and then I'm going to use my base 10 place value discs. Remember, I can drag them all around to show my work. So we're going to represent these numbers pictorially. So let's start with elephant R. Elephant R weighs 12,345 pounds. So I have my place value chart, and with my place value chart, I've already filled it in, 12,345. And just like we've been doing in the past, I'm going to model this number with my place value discs. I'm going to start at my 10,000s place, and I'm going to use 1. My thousands place, I need 2. My hundreds place, I need 3. And my tens place, I need 4. And finally, for my ones place, I need 5. So now I've represented elephant R. Now I'm going to do the same thing for elephant S. So I know elephant S weighs 13,960 pounds. So again, the first thing I'm going to do is put it in my place value chart. So I have 13,960. And again, I'm going to represent this number with my place value discs. So I need 1 10,000. I need 3 thousands. I need 9 hundreds. I need 6 tens, and I don't need any ones, so I'm going to leave it blank. The next one I have is elephant T, and elephant T weighs 12,509 pounds. So again, I'm going to draw my place value chart and fill it in. And when I do that, I'm able to see that I have 12,509. Again, I'm going to use my place value discs, and I'm going to drag them and actually model this number. So I need 1 10,000. I need 2 thousands. I need 5 hundreds. I don't need any tens, so I'm going to leave it blank. And I need 9 ones. Now that I'm done with elephant T, I'm now going to move to elephant U. Elephant U weighs 11,960 pounds. So again, I'm going to use my place value chart and fill it in. 11,960. And I'm going to model it with my base 10 place value discs. So I need 1 10,000. I need 1,000. I need 9 hundreds. I need 6 tens. And I do not need any ones, so I'm going to leave it blank. So I want you to turn and talk to somebody. What is something that you notice about all 4 of these elephants? Turn and talk to somebody. All right, come back to me in 3, 2, 1, 0. Eyes and ears on me. What is something that you notice about these elephants? I agree. They all have 1 10,000. Some of them have a lot of ones, and some of them don't have any ones. Same thing could be said for the hundreds. Some of them have a lot of hundreds, and some of them only have a few hundreds. But if you think about it, we were trying to figure out whatever is underneath this. So let's go ahead and remove our sticky note or our block so that we're actually able to see what our answer choices are. Now, when we're looking at answer choices, we're going to go one answer at a time, and we have to prove if it's either right or if it's wrong. So I'm going to start with A. The weight of elephant S is equal to the weight of elephant U. So I'm going to actually look at that. So I'm looking at S and U. So here is S and here is U. So I have both of them. Those are the two I'm looking at. I'm not looking at these right now. I'm just looking at these. And I have to start by comparing the greatest place value. So when I do that, I'm going to compare my 10,000th place. Well, elephant S has 10,000 and elephant U has 10,000. They both have 1 10,000, which is great, except for that doesn't really help me compare. So I'm going to move to the next place value. So when I move to the next place value, I move to my thousands place, and I'm able to see that elephant S has 3,000 and that elephant U has 1,000. Well, that does help me. So are 3,000 and 1,000 the same? No, they're not the same. But if you look right here, it says that's what we're trying to see, if elephant S is equal to elephant U. So if it's equal, that means every single number would have to be the same, and they're not. So I know that A is not my correct answer, so I'm going to go ahead and cross it off. Now I'm going to go to answer choice B. Answer choice B is comparing elephant U and elephant T. So I'm looking at elephant U, and I'm looking at elephant T. So I'm looking at these two right here. I am trying to see if elephant U is, what does this sign mean? That's right, greater. I'm trying to see if elephant U is greater than elephant T. So I'm trying to see if elephant U is greater than elephant T. So again, I'm going to start by looking at my place value. And I'm going to start at the one that's the furthest to the left. So I'm going to look at my 10,000th place first. Well, I'm able to see that elephant T has 1 10,000 and elephant U has 1 10,000, which is great, except for, again, that doesn't help me compare. So now I'm going to move to the next place. So I'm going to move to my thousands place. And when I move to my thousands place, I'm able to see that elephant T has 2,000 and elephant U has 1,000. Now, I'm able to compare here because they're different. My answer choice said that elephant U was greater than or bigger than elephant T. Well, is 1,000 greater than 2,000? Nope, it's not. So I'm going to cross it off because that cannot be my answer choice. Now I'm going to look at answer choice C. Answer C says the weight of elephant S is less than the weight of elephant T. So this time I'm looking at elephant S and elephant T. So I'm looking at these two. Again, I'm going to start at the place that's the furthest to the left. So I'm going to look at my 10,000th place. I have 1 10,000 here and I have 1 10,000 here. Well, which is great, except for that doesn't help me compare. So now I'm going to go to my next place. So I'm going to move over to my thousands place. The elephant S has 3,000. Elephant T has 2,000. Well, those numbers are different, so I'm actually able to compare them. This says that elephant S, this one right here, is less than elephant T. Well, is 3,000 less than 2,000? No. So I know that this cannot be the correct answer. So I should be getting excited because I'm like, oh yeah, the answer is D. I can just circle it. But I cannot. I have to prove my answer to make sure I didn't make a mistake somewhere. So let's actually look at it. So now I'm looking at elephant R, and I'm looking at elephant T. So when I look at elephant R and I look at elephant T, I'm going to do the same thing I've been doing. I'm going to start at the left side of my place value chart, and I'm going to look at my 10,000s. Well, elephant R has 1 10,000 and elephant T has 1 10,000. Again, that's great, but that doesn't help me compare. So now I'm going to move to my thousands place. In my thousands place, I'm able to see that elephant R has 2 thousands and elephant T has 2 thousands. Well, again, that's great, except for it doesn't help me. So I have to keep going. So I'm going to move to the next place value. So I'm going to go to my hundreds place. When I come to my hundreds place, I'm able to see that elephant R has 300 and that elephant T has 500. Well, now I am able to compare because these two numbers are different. Which one is greater? Is 300 greater or is 500 greater? That's right, 500 is greater. So that means that elephant T is bigger. But if elephant T is bigger, that means that elephant R is smaller. So let's see. This says the weight of elephant R is less than the weight of elephant T. Well, is that true? Is 300 less than 500? Yeah. So since that's true, we know we did it right, so we're going to circle the answer D.